So today it's a sailing race with Johnny. It's a much bigger trimaran than mine, and I will be crewing. Wind will not be too much today, but I think we will do great anyway. Early in the morning I have also built something for Johnny. I will just show you something quick what I have built. This is like a hatch. Should you have that too? It's screwing down in the boat your action cam without modifying the boat too much. Could be a great day. Not so much wind yet, but waiting for a sea breeze. So it's a reverse start. The slowest boat starts first and the fastest boat starts last. Here you can see the start line from the flagpoles at the yacht club and straight out to the other side of the sea. Our start is 11:19.0. The wind comes a bit from behind, so we can first set the code 0 and then pretty quickly the gen anchor as well. First mark, and when we are going around we end up in nearly no wind at all on the right, and we starting to go upwind with the Jeep. During our upwind, the wind starts to pick up, and after a while we are meeting the first boat, starboat and IOD. Second mark, and we end up in even less wind, but we get some gusts and can go downwind finally. Under the big bridge to Sean. The wind dies completely, and we send a drone to do a flyby.
Max en halv meter.
Last mark, and when we are turning, going upwind a bit until the finish, and we have not kept up the other boats that we were supposed to do. Great sailing anyway.